Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is moving day and I'm supposed to be vlogging stuff. So yes, we're moving. Okay, I'm moving in with my cousin, and so we've been literally packing up our rooms and everything. I'm going to show you guys what I gotta move. Still have to get my stuff up under here, but just boxes and stuff. He's on the way to go get the U-Haul. We're getting a 2-bedroom. So today I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. Yeah, I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour and I'll just give you guys a glimpse. The apartment probably won't be fully decorated for a few months just because we're just gonna take our time decorating the spot. Yeah, so you will join me and my family on a journey today to finding my North Carolina apartment. Alright guys, so here is the front door. Then we have this little nook area. This is empty. Here's the closet. My mom in the background. Then we got the dark floors. It's our patio up there. Kitchen over there. Here is our fireplace. So that's the front door, fireplace. This is the living area. And here is the dining area. We'll have our dining table. Patio is out here. Pretty spacious. There goes some storage right there. Then here is our kitchen. It's dope. And like if you look, the plugs are USB and regular plugs, I believe. Light switch. There's some lighting under here which is messed up. So that's something we're gonna have to ask them to fix. Loads of cabinet space. Freezer and refrigerator has absolutely nothing in it. So it's like a shotgun area. Here is pantry or another closet. It's pretty nice. And over here we have a nest. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna have to hook up to that. Here is where the washer and dryer is. And here is my room over here. I'm not gonna show my cousin's room but here is my window. Bed will probably go over here. Here's the closet. Has a pretty decent amount of space in the closet. Then my bathroom. And here, let's see, there's a vent as well. Amen. Bathroom is fairly large. I love the cabinetry. And it has that slow down thing, which I love. Here's another closet up in here for my hamper, linen and stuff. There's the bathtub and the shower. Pretty standard, pretty regular. Pretty regular. I'm gonna need them to tighten this up. So it's hanging a little low. But everything is everything. It's everything. Out. Here's the overview. And my cousin's room and bathroom is this way. I'm not gonna go in his room. This is my roommate, guys.
Yo, what's
gang,
up,
gang.
guys?
Okay, it's my cousin, my favorite cousin, one of my favorites. I'm dead.
Whoa.
This is our apartment, guys.
We got an apartment! Turn up.
I'm weak, so we're tired as crap. We finally moved some stuff up here. So we were gifted a mirror, which was nice. All of this is just, this is our dining room table. So we're gonna work with this and we're going to probably reupholster these seats. But this was given to us. Our grandparents had this dining room table, so this is pretty cool. It's lasted a while, good furniture. We don't know what color we're gonna reupholster the seats yet because it depends on what we go with, the vibe that we go with in the family room. I have pulled out my mattress, and this mattress was from Walmart, actually 150 bucks for a queen size, and it feels so freaking good. So all of those $700 mattresses, I don't know about it. Put stuff in the closet, all these clothes. So I'm still working with some pretty decent space. I can't wait to get my room organized, and this is the window, so I'm getting a lot of good light, which I like. Some of the video quality should be better, but I still don't know how I'm gonna set up my room as far as filming and how I want the backdrop to be. So we'll see how this goes, but yeah, super excited. We got our own apartment, guys, like it's crazy. So I will check in with you guys later. I think this will be the end because it's just the empty apartment tour. It's not even decorating because I'm nowhere near that, don't have much. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely do so down below. We reach 1K and I forgot to get excited about that, but I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway soon. So tell your friends to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Like get it shit popping, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace. Alright guys, so it is, what time is it? Oh, it is 8:15 and I've been running around all day like a chicken with my freaking head cut off. It just got done thunderstorming and I had to order a pizza. I ordered some chicken. I'm gonna show you the progress that I made. All I did, I don't have a bed frame yet. I'm going to get one, but for right now I'm just setting up what I can before I go to Atlanta tomorrow. So here is what my little bed looks like. I got my whole bed stuff. I think I got the sheets and stuff from Walmart. I got the comforter, Vince Camuto white comforter from Home Goods, and comforter's really cute. Got this throw blanket thing from Home Goods as well. I also got like a candle and some cleaning stuff to put in here. I had to put in a thing for maintenance because that is very wobbly and I don't like it. My friend gave me these because she had them for her house and then she didn't need them. I have like a candle over there from Home Goods. This is from Home Goods. I was just getting little knickknacks and stuff. Here are my white towels from Walmart, face cloths and bath towels. My closet is filled with clothes and yeah, so I am just here now. The one thing that I think is very cool about my apartment is the Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling. So these lights right here have Bluetooth speakers in them. So but apparently right now it's only working when it's on. So yeah, we're about to see. Siri, play Before I Let Go by Beyonce. So it's lit. I can control the music with my phone and the speaker is in the ceiling, so that's lit. You make me happy. Alright, enough of that. Even though I'm tired as hell, I still am going to attempt to go to Target. Help me, Jesus. Pack my clothes for tomorrow's trip and go the freak to bed.